The pencil tool is one of the best tools in Illustrator, and if you know how to use it, I bet you are 90% done for logo. This video is about how to use the tool, the settings, some tips on how you should go about the tool. Also, a live tutorial of me using the tool, and also how you can watch a tutorial video. Let's dive right into it. First of all, before we dive into Illustrator, you have to know the importance of using this tool. This tool help you to draw customized shapes. I know there's a pen tool, right? But this tool gives you the flexibility of drawing illustrations, patterns you have never even thought of. If you know how to use this tool, it's a game and a life changer for you. Secondly, before we move into Illustrator, I want to show you how to watch a tutorial video because that's really important on how you consume the information. For me particularly, I'm a fast learner. This is how I'll watch a tutorial video. I'll watch till it finishes, then I'll try doing what the person did in the tutorial video. If I got stuck in the middle, I come back, watch the video, and redo that part and continue doing what he did in the tutorial video. That's one of the fastest way in gaining of the tutorial video. If you're a slow learner, if I pause, you pause. That means you move alongside with me. So if I pause, you pause. If I illustrate, you illustrate. That's how you get the best out of it as a slow learner. But my best advice for you is watch the video and try redo what I did. Remember, getting the work done is really important. Don't watch the video and after that you did not do the work. If you watch the video, get the work done. That's how you become better and master a tool you want to master or a skill you want to master.
You can just press N for the pencil tool and you get the pencil tool straight, or you can just go to the menu and click manually. Let's start mastering the tool. This is a shape I want to try to use the pencil tool, and this is how you master the tool, right? Find images from Pinterest, the custom shapes or typography, and finding the right ones to replicate is very key. So one of the ways of mastering the tool is through replication. You have to replicate, you have to use the tool to do something for you to get better at it, right? As I'm doing it, you will see that I know how to use the tool because I've used it for a while. If you are starting, don't cringe. It's okay, it's fine if you don't draw the shape as it looks like, but just try your best to to replicate the same shape or typography you picked, right? So you can just find, you can just go on Pinterest and find a shape, a customized shape like this, and follow along with me. Before I start, knowing the right places to start from is really important because in replication, the only way you pass a replication test is when you are done with the replication. The actual thing looks like the original thing or the original image or custom shape, right? That's the only way you know you have passed the replication or you have grown. And mind you, if you want to master the tool, this is how to master the tool. You have to use it for you to master the tool. You can't master the tool in any way. And in so doing, you train your design eye to see, as you are using the pencil tool, you have trained your design eye to see how to draw some custom shapes, where to start from. If something is wrong with the shape, you just know that there is something wrong with the shape. It just comes with experience, right? The more you replicate, the more you see this, the more you torment your eyes with designs. You just get good at it.
So press N, let's go. I'm replicating, but I don't get a refined shape, right? And there's how to get a refined shape. So I'll show you just in a second. So just go to the pencil tool. Let's clean this one. Let's go to the pencil tool. Double click on it. You see the pencil tool options. Move this up to smooth, and you can move this up to 10 pixels, but 6 is fine. This will do the job for you. This will do the job for you. Let's move that thing to smooth. So this is your reset settings. If you are new in Illustrator, just move it to smooth and you get a refined shape. Don't worry about how your hand will do on the mouse. Just move it there. Let's go. And one tip too I want to show you here. When you want to continue, you see that I've stopped, right? When you want to continue, just look for an anchor point and continue from there, right? It is really important because when I was starting, I couldn't even continue when I stopped, right? I will get a lot of problem. Just look for an anchor point, continue from there. It will just clean and continue for you. As I said, don't worry about how you are drawing the things. It will just smoothen it up and you are good to go. And don't worry about refining your edges right now. Just continue drawing the shape. When you are done with the full shape, then you refine your edges. That's really important. Take note. I'm enjoying this a lot. But I love to draw illustrations, so I'm enjoying this a lot. You see, I messed up there, but it filled the gap for me. Just continue drawing the shape. You will get there. You see, because of the settings we did, we are just doing smooth patterns here. Whoa, we are done with the shape, right? We are done with the shape, so I'll just move on to find the edges and we are done. So as I said,
Go on Pinterest, get a custom shape, and try and follow along. Try and follow along is really important. Just get the work done. Try and follow along. So I just refine the edges. You see me refine the edges. I just refine the edges, and that's how to master this too. Check this one and check the other one. You see, we passed the replication test. It looks just similar as the replication. This is how you know you passed the replication test, right? This, I wanted to, I was even moving fast. If I had refined the edges, it will even look much more similar to the actual shape.
Don't beat yourself up if you couldn't get a shape done or you couldn't get the pencil tool done. I was there. I understand you. Don't be moved that I was able to do it and you were not able to do it. Just keep doing what you are doing. You will get there in no time, right? So when I was actually done with the video, I realized I had to finesse some of the actual shapes and some of the edges. So I'll show you on the screen how the original looks like and how the replication looks like for you to grasp a feel of it. I've said in my previous videos, I'm not saying that again, and you people know that. If you know we provided you value in this video, you would have subscribed. So since you know how to use the pencil tool, you can go ahead to watch this video on how I design a logo for a real estate company.